Welcome to another tutorial video on how to navigate Glamour's website. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can register someone using your unique referral link. So once you click the link I'll be sending to you, it's going to take you to this interface. Then you're going to log in. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this interface, you understand, which is your dashboard. Then you scroll down, you see these Glam links down here, click on it. You can see referral link, click on copy. Once you copy your referral link, then you log out of your account. Log out immediately out of your account. You click on this 3-line icon here. You see log out, you click on log out. So after you have copied your link, you also copy the person's details. So I'll be copying the person's details right now. Then I'll be copying the activation code. That's your Glam key. So if you want to get someone registered but you don't actually have a Glam key, you can click the link in the description below and it's going to take you to my DM on Telegram so that I can assist you in purchasing the Glam key. So after you have copied the details and everything, next thing you want to do is to register the person's account. So after you copy the person's details, you go to your WhatsApp and paste the link. Sorry, the link, not this. Your referral link, yes, your unique referral link. After you paste it there now, you can now have access to it. You click on it there. The reason for pasting it there is so that you can be able to click on it. You understand? So after you click on your unique referral link, it's going to take you to this interface where you have to put the person's full name, the person's username, the person's email address, phone number. You select the person's country, password. You understand? You can ask the person which password he or she will likely want to use. Then this is where you put your Glam key. So if you don't have this Glam key, message me through the link in the description below to gain access to your Glam key. So once you put all the details required, then you click on create account. And make sure before you click on create account, make sure you check this referral code if it's showing or reflecting your username. You understand? If it's not reflecting, don't click on create account, because if you click on create account, your bonus will not be added. You understand? Your bonus will not be added. So after you have put in the details, you click on create account. And before you click on create account, make sure you go through the details again to ensure that it is correct. You understand? So I'll be filling the details now. After I'm done filling the details, I'll create the account so that you guys can see. Alright guys, so I'm done putting in the details. So what I'll have to do next is to click on create an account, and I've checked if I put the details correctly. So I'll click on create an account now. So as you can see, account has been created. The account has been created successfully. You understand? So this is it. This is it. So if you need guidance on how to go about Glamour, or if you are yet to register on Glamour, or you are yet to get started on Glamour and you don't know how, but you wish to get started on Glamour, click the Telegram link in the description below to reach out to me on Telegram, and I'll give you guidance and support.